Starting Wednesday, COVID protocols for people traveling to and living in the British Virgin Islands will be relaxed, including the removal of the mask mandate and doing away with quarantine and isolation orders. People traveling to the British Overseas Territory will no longer need to register for entry clearance and will also not be required to show proof of travel insurance regardless of vaccination status. The Minister for Health and Social Development, Marlon Penn, in making the announcements on Tuesday, also said the ministry will no longer be issuing quarantine and isolation orders to people who test positive for COVID-19. Regarding the wearing of masks, he said that for the most part, people will be able to choose whether or not they want to wear face coverings.
With effect from the 15th of June 2022, the wearing of face masks or face coverings, whether indoors or outdoors, will no longer be mandated by law, but will be allowed as a matter of choice in public spaces. Even as this mask mandate is being lifted, any private establishment or service provider may institute its own policy on mask wearing. The same will apply to the public sector, and the Deputy Governor will develop a policy on the area where mask wearing will still be required, such as in agency providing health and social care, border protection services, and other front-facing departments where the risk of exposure is higher.
Penn said Cabinet was briefed last week on the current COVID situation and was very encouraged by the continuing trend towards milder COVID infections, fewer cases of severe disease, and reduced hospital admissions. However, he said residents of the British Virgin Islands must remain vigilant.
As we move from emergency mode to a more sustainable management of COVID-19 and enjoy fewer restrictions on our daily life, we must remain vigilant and prepared. New variants can emerge and spread fast, and it may become necessary to reinstate certain measures that have been relaxed. The pandemic is not yet over.